Now here we have a system of linear equations, and in this case, notice the wording's a little different. They're saying, which of the following accurately describes all the solutions? And we always talk about the fact that we don't look at the answer options right away because they'll only confuse us, but it can be useful to look at the answer format. And notice with the answer format, we have a couple of options where they're essentially ordered pairs. I know they're not using x and y, but they're using t and u, which is what we have up here. But then these other ones are special cases where maybe there's infinite solutions or no solutions. So it is helpful to go to the back side of page 33 from our math reference document and notice the three scenarios we have. You could have one solution. Whenever the slopes are different, the lines are going to intersect at some point, pun intended, and so you get that one solution. However, when the slopes are the same, if the y-intercepts are different, the lines are going to be parallel and they'll never intersect, meaning you have no solution because a solution is a point of intersection. And if instead you have what appears to be the exact same line, that's because it is. They have the same slope, the same y-intercept, meaning they have infinitely many solutions. Every single point on those lines are solutions. So let's go ahead and type this into Desmos and see what happens. Now we can't use t and u. We're going to have to use x and y. So I would use y for the t, because this looks like almost y equals mx plus b on this one, but it doesn't really matter as long as you're consistent. And then we'll have this as our x. All right, so let's type it out and see what happens, because I'm clearly running out of time here on my module. And then we'll type, I'll go to the right, we'll type everything the way that we see it. I'll do the same thing down here. It is useful, in my opinion, to have written x versus y, so I don't have to think about it anymore. And we do get one point of intersection, -3, 4. And remember, our x was u, so u is -3, and t is 4, making the correct answer B.